Hello to our University of Scranton friends. We are disappointed that we're not able to be together this year at the Pierre. We wanted to share our recipe for the Scrantini that you could make at home while watching the PBC celebration on October 8th. So we're starting with 3 ounces of a good vodka, one and a half ounces of cranberry juice, half ounce of blue curacao, gives it that great purple color, and a half ounce of homemade sweet and sour mix, which is just fresh lemon and lime juice with a little sugar. We give that a very strong stir. And we're going to pour this in a martini glass, either lined with sugar, as we have here, or a plain martini glass. And we'll top this with a little bit of club soda or 7-Up. So congratulations to all of our honorees, and we look forward to seeing you back here in October 2021. Cheers.